Brushing your teeth twice a day to keep them healthy is what most dentists recommend. If you're an older adult, you may wish to give your teeth some extra attention and invest in an electric toothbrush to help you avoid getting cavities. Today we are going to review 5 best electric toothbrushes for seniors, and we are going to start our list with Colgate 360 Advanced Sonic Battery Power Toothbrush. You don't have to break the bank with the Colgate 360 Advanced Sonic Toothbrush, our best budget pick. If you have no need for Bluetooth and apps when you brush your teeth, then this inexpensive Sonic toothbrush is perfect. Although its features are limited, there are many things to like about this battery-operated toothbrush. The brush head is small and compact, making it easy to remove hard-to-reach gunk from the back of your mouth. The brush heads are also replaceable, and it has a timer that shuts it off automatically after 2 minutes of brushing. For the budget-conscious, the Colgate 360 Advanced Toothbrush is definitely a winner. And as always, the link is in the description below. Seniors with sensitive gums will appreciate the extra sensitive brushing mode of the Oral-B Gum and Sensitive Care Electric Toothbrush. It has extra soft bristles and 3 modes to choose from. It also comes with an app that guides users as they brush. A downside is that the handle feels slippery, which could be an issue if you have problems getting a firm grip while you brush. Overall, it's a decent pick for those looking for a gentler option for their gums. Hum by Colgate is the perfect electric toothbrush if you're looking for one that has a good bang for your buck. It's a great value for an affordable Sonic toothbrush with a few features. This smart electric toothbrush has an app that guides you to properly brush your teeth in real time. You can also use its timer to make sure you stick to the 2-minute time frame recommended by dentists. It has 2 vibration settings, and comes with an extra brush head and travel case. Because of its lower price tag, the Hum does have fewer features. And although its small brush size may be an issue for some, it will still leave your teeth squeaky clean, without having to spend a ton of money. Again, the link is in the description. Customers refer to it as the Bentley of electric toothbrushes. And the Philips Sonicare DiamondClean Smart 9750 electric toothbrush has all the bells and whistles, tagged with a high price to live up to that reputation. It has all the features you would expect from an electric toothbrush, such as a pressure sensor that flashes when you brush too hard and a built-in timer. It has 4 types of brushes and 5 modes, with 3 cleaning intensities to get rid of plaque. This advanced toothbrush is equipped with Bluetooth and has an app that gives you real-time feedback to make sure your teeth are thoroughly clean. One of the unique features of this toothbrush is how it charges. It has a glass that is both a charger and a water glass for rinsing out your mouth. Additionally, there is a USB chargeable case that can be charged from your laptop. The battery can last up to 14 days. Overall, this toothbrush is a good pick if you are willing to pay an exorbitant price for a high-end toothbrush crammed with lots of features. Philips Sonicare ExpertClean 7500 toothbrush earned our best overall pick for its meld of defining features, technology, and premium design at a great price. It has 4 modes: clean, white, gum health and deep clean, plus 3 different cleaning intensities. Each toothbrush has a standard built-in timer that shuts off after 2 minutes and a pressure sensor that vibrates when you brush too hard. You can also charge it either with a traditional charging stand or a rechargeable travel case. It comes with 2 vibrating brush heads, targeting gum health and plaque control. In our opinion, one of the best features is the brush head replacement system that sends reminders when it's time to get a new brush head. However, unlike other toothbrushes in this price range, the app doesn't feature real-time tracking. Instead, it gives you a progress report only after you finish brushing. It's time to make the decision which one to get. Check the link in the description to check the price and get yours. If you like this review, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button below. We'll see you in the next AdvisorBit video. Till then, have fun.